This $12 was earned today on Amazon from a bounty commission, but that's not the hard part. The real battle wasn't the offer. It was getting approved without Amazon flagging my IP as spam while self-clicking. You see, everyone tries to scale these CPA offers, but the system catches them every time. Your account gets banned, your hard work vanishes, and you're back to square one. I've been there. I lost hours of setup time because Amazon's algorithms are smarter than the average affiliate marketer. But in this video, I'm showing you the invisible proxy trick that changes everything. This is how you make Amazon see every single sign up as a unique, real user. We're going to build a full 24/7 automation setup, and I'm taking you through every single click. If you miss even one step, you will get flagged. So stay with me. This setup is the difference between earning $0 and scaling to $500 a day. Let's go. So from there, let's get technical. You cannot just use a VPN. Amazon detects those instantly. You need residential proxies. These are real IPs from real ISPs in the US. I use IPcook for this. Why? Because they have 55 million IPs. You could sign up 1,000 accounts, and Amazon would still see 1,000 unique, distinct people. IPcook is a newly launched proxy provider, which means its proxy pool is fresher and less overused compared with many older providers. This helps ensure cleaner, more reliable proxies for users. IPcook makes premium proxies cheaper. Residential proxies with free trial, and the price start at only $3.20 per GB. And with the official 20% discount, your final price drops to under $3 per GB. For ISP proxies, it's even more cost-effective, just $2.40 per proxy per month, or only $8 per day. Let's look at why IPcook is different. I've tested 5 different proxy providers this month. The issue? Most of them have low-quality IP pools. They're mostly data center IPs, which Amazon identifies immediately. With IPcook, I'm seeing 98% proxy quality scores across their residential range. Look at this test. I ran 50 signups through their rotating residential gateway. The average quality level is high, and average risk score is 9%. That means that in 45 proxies out of 50 were completely clean. That is how you stay invisible. I want you to understand the architecture here. When you use a VPN, Amazon sees the VPN provider's IP block. When you use residential proxies, Amazon sees a home ISP. This makes you literally invisible. This is the foundation of the whole system. Don't cheap out here. If you use a bad proxy, the whole 24/7 automation setup is useless because your accounts will be dead before they earn a single cent. Think of it like this. A VPN is like wearing a bright neon sign that says, "I am a VPN." A residential proxy is like blending into a crowd of millions. Which one do you think gets through the gate? Now let's get your proxy setup configured correctly. To get started, click the IPcook link in the description below and create your free account. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. To test the service, click on Residential Proxy, then select Explore Plans. Choose the first available plan and click Pay. Don't worry, you'll see an option to start a free trial. Click Start Free Trial and your trial will be activated instantly. Now it's time to generate your proxy. On the left-hand menu, click Proxy Generator. Under Country, select United States. For protocol, choose HTTP. Under Rotation Type, select Sticky Session, then set the session duration to 30 minutes. This allows your connection to stay on the same IP address during your browsing session, which helps maintain consistency while you're working. Next, scroll down to the Sub-Account section. Set the quantity to 5, then click Generate. Your proxy credentials are now ready. Copy the generated proxy details because we'll need them in the next step. Now open AdsPower. If you don't have an account yet, use the link in the description to sign up, download the application, and log in. Once inside AdsPower, click Proxy and then Add Proxy. For the protocol, choose HTTP. Paste the proxy information you copied from IPcook and click Save. With the proxy saved, it's time to create your browser profiles. Click Add Profile, then select Bulk Create. Choose Quick Create. Set the number of profiles to 5. Select your preferred operating system. Then under Proxy, choose the proxy group you just saved. Next, click Random to generate unique browser fingerprints for each profile. Finally, click Create. Your browser profiles are now ready. Open any profile to verify everything is working correctly. Once the browser launches, check the profile information and confirm that the detected location matches the proxy location you've selected. If everything looks correct, your browser environment is fully configured and ready to use for self-clicking. Then from there, we just scale. But how do we keep these accounts alive longer? You don't just sign up and run immediately. You need to warm them up. I run the automation to browse Amazon for 15 minutes a day, looking at different products, adding items to the cart, but not buying anything. It's about creating a human browsing pattern. If you try to go from sign up to CPA offer in 1 minute, Amazon's AI will flag you. Take the time to mimic a human. Maintenance is key. Every 1 hour, you need to check your logs. If you see a cluster of signups failing, rotate your proxy pool. IPcook allows you to refresh your sub-users. Use that feature. It keeps your accounts looking fresh to Amazon servers. Also, consider diversifying your bounty offers. Don't just hit the Amazon Associates program. Use this same proxy setup for other high-paying CPA networks. Once you have the setup, it's just a matter of swapping the target link. Now, I know some of you will get stuck. If you get a proxy connection refused error, it means your IPcook authentication key hasn't propagated yet. Give it 2 minutes. If you get a CAPTCHA, it means your browser fingerprint isn't masked. In the description, I've linked my browser fingerprint checklist. Use it. If you're still stuck, look at the logs in the automation tool. They will tell you exactly which step failed. Most of the time, it's a simple authentication issue. Make sure you follow the steps correctly and don't miss any steps so as to earn. Once this is running, it's 24/7. Everything is done. Here is a secret not many people tell you. Amazon loves consistency. If you earn $100 today, zeros tomorrow, and $500 the day after, you look like a bot. You want to aim for a consistent, steady income. Configure your automation to run 24/7, but limit the number of signups per hour. So, click the link below to get a limited time 20% discount and a free 100 megabyte trial of a residential proxy. If you're unsure whether to choose it, you can try the free version first. Instead of slamming the system with 50 signups in 1 minute, configure it to run 2 or 3 signups every hour. It looks much more natural. It keeps your accounts active, and it keeps those bounty commissions rolling in like clockwork. That is how you turn this into a real long-term business. Now, if you are struggling with the very foundation of this, getting those initial email addresses to feed into this automation, you need to watch my full step-by-step guide on how I performed self-clicking and created those initial bounties earning with no flag. Watch that video right here. How to create unlimited email accounts for Amazon Associates. It covers the exact email creation workflow that fuels this entire automation system. All I need from you is to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you there.